Hey there everyone, welcome back. My name is Jeff. Join us as we travel through the cities of Ilocos Sur and Ilocos Norte and beyond.
Nabangga ko lang. Oh, walang multo dyan.
Andyan si Narnia.
The following day, we hit the road again going to Laoag City. But before we get there were a couple of places we wanted to see. We're here! We're here! The Bangil Rock Formation. So we are here for a quick stop here at the Bangil Rock Formation in Corimao, and I think this would be a nice spot to fly at. It is called the empanada or the Vigan empanada. And it's filled with vegan longanisa and fried egg. And you can eat it with, what's this, vinegar, with spiced vinegar, if you wish. We got up early the next morning as we head further north. We had a lot of road ahead of us as we were passing through the northernmost point of Luzon and onto Apayao. We're trekking right now. We're going to the Manakota Underground River. I think maybe a 20 to 40 minute trek, and then we're gonna hop on a boat, and I'll probably just show you later on. But yeah, this is our second stop here in Apayao. After 30 minutes trekking to the Manakota Underground River and another 30 minutes trekking back, we're now here at the Dupag rock formation. Over there in the distance. So at least this is going to be just a quick 5 to 10 minute trek, and then it's going to be, the next challenge is climbing that rock formation. So this is going to be our third and final stop for today before we try to look for some accommodations, try to look for a homestay that we can stay for the night. Okay. Dahan-dahanin mo lang. Tiwala ka lang kay kuya.
What's for second breakfast? The taking the habits to icing. Taking the habits to icing.
Ito na yun.
Ito na ba
May
yun?
mas maliit pa, ma'am.
Sige lang po, sir. Kasi pagka kung ano naman magre-retouch pa naman pagka
Kamay dumating.
design. Dito na lang.
Ang ganda.
Second floor.
Sige.
This is my terrace.
Yes.
Cute. Next time dito ako mag-aya ng outing. Pwede.
Right now, we're here at Apayao in Pagudpud, and it's almost time to say goodbye to Ilocos. We're just gonna get some breakfast before going back home to Baguio. But I hope you enjoyed this trip and joining us on our trip, and we hope to see you on the next one. Cheers!